What's up, queens? Happy Main Monday. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, what's good? Today for Main Monday, ladies, I'm going to be doing an avocado hair mask because your girl needs a protein treatment, okay? I have not done a protein treatment in probably 5 to 6 months, so it's time. I've also been wearing this little raggedy puff in my hair for like the past week and a half, which is crazy because I went like 4 or 5 months without wearing a puff at all. And then this whole past week and a half, I have been wearing a puff every single day. That's ridiculous. So I'm going to be doing a protein treatment so that I am restoring my hair's elasticity, repairing any damage, strengthening my hair, and just preventing any breakage. If you have not done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any weekly uploads. All right, let's begin. For this mask, you're gonna need 1 large avocado, 1 large egg, extra virgin olive oil, and raw honey. So to start, you just want to mash up 1 avocado in a bowl, making sure that you can get as many of the clumps out as possible. You can do this by using a blender or a fork inside the bowl. I chose to use a fork just because I didn't want to make a lot of noise. It was later in the day and I knew the blender would be kind of loud. So just get as much of the avocado out as possible. And then begin to mash and mix it. Honestly, this is going to take a majority of your time because before you mix any of the other ingredients in, you want to make sure that you have the avocado as mixed and thoroughly mashed as possible. Next, you're going to add 1 large egg. You're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I started with 3 and then after I mixed that in, I added my last tablespoon. As you can see, once I start mixing the olive oil, it gives the avocado mix somewhat of a creamy texture. This is where it becomes a little bit easier to mix up. That's the kind of creamy texture that you want. You don't want it to be clumpy when you put it in your hair. Alright, so last but not least, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix that in as thoroughly as possible. And voila, there you have it, the avocado mask. It's going to be creamy and smooth. So before you apply it, you want to make sure you have a paper towel handy. Have a spray bottle as well, just in case your hair starts to dry out before you apply it. Now there's a couple ways you can do this. You can either rinse your hair in the sink or the shower just to get your hair wet, or you can use a spray bottle to get your hair damp. It does not have to be completely soaked, but you do want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly wet before you start. Ideally, you want to make sure that you part your hair before you start applying the mask. However, it was later in the day. I did not feel like actually parting my hair. I just parted my hair down the middle and kept it moving, really. I just started from the back and worked my way up. And I apologized ahead of time. When I first shot this, I knew that I was in the frame. However, when I went back and saw this footage, I realized that I was so focused on not making a mess that I was leaning over the table and I kind of moved out of the frame. So a lot of this you're not even going to see, but ultimately you'll get the point. So basically all I'm doing is just going to take the avocado mixture and just work it through with my fingers and my hair. Kind of like how I would apply any of my products when I'm doing a twist out, a wash and go, anything like that. So basically applying the avocado mixture as a product. So as you can see, I'm just being as thorough as possible while applying the avocado mask to my hair. This whole process took about 20 minutes total just to apply it. So while I apply the mask, I just want to talk about some of the benefits of this particular protein treatment. So some of the benefits of avocados by itself is that it moisturizes the hair and scalp. It also is a source of vitamins, protein, and amino acids. Benefits of the egg is that it promotes hair growth, adds shine to your hair, and is also a source of protein. Benefits of the olive oil is that it adds shine to your hair, it strengthens your hair, it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and it helps your hair to hold moisture. And last but not least, the benefits of honey is that it also strengthens the hair, promotes hair growth, and retains moisture in the hair. So now you can see why I pretty much needed to do this mask after wearing that puff for so long. I just wanted to make sure that I was promoting hair growth, retaining moisture in my hair because my hair had been drying out over the past week and a half or so. And then I also wanted to just make sure I was strengthening my hair as well. So the last step after applying is just putting on a conditioning cap. Obviously this step is not necessary, but it definitely helps. All right, so I let that sit in my hair for about 45 minutes. And now the last step in this process is just to wash it out. But before I rinsed my hair, I just wanted to let you all see what my hair looks like before I put any other product in it after letting the avocado mask just kind of marinate into my scalp. So as you can see, it's like super hydrated. Again, I have not added any other product. It's just the mask. I haven't rinsed it out yet. But this mask makes your hair super soft, hydrated. It pretty much brings life back into your natural curls, which you'll see here in a few seconds. Yeah, I'm really not sure how that little piece of hair fell down. But as you can see, like my natural curls are actually popping, and I haven't put any product in my hair. I haven't added water, haven't done anything. All that's in my hair right now is the mask. So this is my hair right after I rinsed the mask out. Obviously, you can still see some of the pieces of the avocado mask, which is why I wanted to show this portion of the process, just because it takes so much time to rinse this out. And please, 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 please make sure that you use cold water when you rinse out the mask, because sis, like if you don't, girl, you will definitely fry that egg that is in that mask and it will be a whole mess, okay? Don't say I ain't never told you or warned you about nothing. Do not use hot water when you rinse out an avocado mask if it has an egg in it, because it will be traumatizing. Do you hear me? All right. Yeah, so this is the part when I actually got a little distracted. Comment below if you know what song I started singing. There was no music playing. This song was stuck in my head, and yeah. Comment below if you know what song I'm singing right now. So as you can see, my hair is still super hydrated. My curls are popping, very bouncy, and the elasticity in my hair was pretty much rejuvenated just from my mask. I can say I'm definitely satisfied after using the mask. I lost little to no hair almost as I was washing this out. Again, I just want to reiterate that you do need to use cold water when you're rinsing out the mask, and then follow up with the shampoo and conditioner or co-wash or whatever you're going to be doing for the day. Alright queens, that's all I have for you all today. If you made it to this point in the video, drop me an avocado emoji in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next Main Monday.